Welcome to Workday Benefits Business Process Overview. In this session, we'll explore business process basics and explain some high-level business process details that'll help you successfully process benefits events. Keep in mind that your company's business process and security administrators will focus on maintaining the system configurations. Business processes are the definition, arrangement, and execution of tasks, to-do items, and notifications that occur when a worker initiates a transaction. Business process definitions can sometimes be simple, meaning they don't require approvals or additional review steps. But depending on your needs, you can also configure these definitions to have additional steps that meet unique requirements. There are many Workday benefits business processes and sub-processes. Each one defines the steps, step order, and group responsible for acting on or approving benefits event transactions. For example, if an employee has a child, they'll manually initiate the change benefits business process to update benefit coverage and include their new child. Alternatively, they can initiate the dependent event process to only add their new child into Workday, but not change any of their current benefit coverage or elections. There are also two benefits sub-processes that can initiate because of other business processes. These are the change benefit elections for life event sub-process and the review COBRA eligibility process, which can only be a sub-process to the dependent event definition. In addition to benefit-specific business processes, there are some HR processes like hire, change job, and termination that can initiate benefits business processes. Your administrator team will consider how and when these benefits processes should trigger as sub-process to events like hires or termination. Now, let's explore an example of a business process definition. Here we have change benefits for global modern services. Notice that this definition has an initiation step, which is the first thing that happens when an employee or benefits partner begins a transaction. Additionally, notice that step B is to review benefit changes and that it routes to a benefits partner. This means that once the worker selects submit, this event is active and will route to their benefits partner. However, in the third column from the left, the if column, notice that condition rule logic also applies. To meet GMS workflow requirements, the benefits partner will only receive a review task in their My Tasks if the benefit event isn't being reprocessed, the initiator of the event wasn't an HR administrator, and the event type being processed in this transaction isn't allowed at any time. Let's discuss the change benefits business process a bit further. The first step is to initiate the event. The W in this graphic represents a worker, and this first box is the change benefits initiation step. Once the worker fills out all the required and additional applicable fields of their benefit change and selects Submit, the benefits partner must review the information. At this point, the benefits partner can approve or deny the transaction. If the request is denied, a notification can be set up to notify the employee. Otherwise, if the request is approved, the system then triggers the change benefits election step. Either the worker or the benefits partner can enter and submit elections. In some cases, your company may require an additional approval by a benefits partner other than the previous reviewer. Your administrators can accomplish this by setting up the business process with steps and advanced routing options. In this session, we've reviewed business process basics and explained some high-level business process details that'll help you successfully process benefits events. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.